Hey guys, Z.Starkey here. On this video, I am doing was requested by 0xx BMX Rider XX0. He asked me to do it on my last YouTube video, so this is a shout out to you. I appreciate you following me on my Instagram, liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I will put a link down below so y'all guys can do the same to him. For starters, on my bike, all the parts on it except for my pegs came from danscomp.com, which I'll put a link down below so y'all guys can go to that website and see what they have, because everything on this bike came from there except for my pegs. That's the only thing that didn't come from there. So for starters, I'm getting new grips, but as of right now I have a Odyssey Ross grip and a Colt Van grip. The only reason I have that is because this grip messed up, or the pair to this one messed up over here, so I had to replace it with this one. I have Stolen Cell bars. They are 9.5 inch rise. I'm not sure about the front or back sweep, but they're really good. They're lightweight. This is a nitrous neck. It's not real bad. It's also lightweight. My bike is also integrated. Colt headset and bearings. I have a pitchfork, which I am paying off because I'm getting it from a friend. My front rim is a Stolen Rebellion 20 inch. My front tire is Kenda Contact. My back rim is a Alienation Black Sheep, and the tire is a Hutchison. My seat is a Poverty seat, and my seat post is Thermalite. My seat post clamp is just ghetto. I just found it somewhere. My cranks are Profile. They are mid, and they're the longest cranks that were on there. Odyssey JCPC pedals. They're plastic pedal pads with metal pins for better grip and lightweight. A Stolen Class Ring V2. That's my sprocket. My chain is a Odyssey Bluebird chain, and I have a back drive hub guard. It is Profile, and I have a G-Sport hub guard on this side to protect from any damage. Right now I have 2 metal pegs, not from any website or nothing. I have one plastic mongoose peg from Walmart, which has held out pretty good. I used to ride all 4 pegs, but my other peg kind of messed up. It wouldn't want to tighten no more, so I had to get rid of it. I'm buying some more pegs pretty soon. My frame is a Sunday. It's a V1. I can't exactly remember the other name for it, or the other, classification name. All I remember is it's a Sunday. My bike is 23.5 pounds. I've had the frame for nearly 4 years now, which they discontinued the frame, so I can't get no more, which kind of sucks because I have it dented up real bad. I have Odyssey bar ends. They're the ones that have the bolt in the middle of it, so you can squeeze it in there and tighten it up so it don't fall out like the other ones that come with most grips. Right now on my tires, I run about 80 to 90 psi. My tires last a while, and I don't got no brakes, obviously, because I don't use brakes. I use my foot, which on my shoes wore out real fast. One thing on my bike that some people think is kind of odd, but right here on my front rim, if you can see it, I have a zip tie on the front and back rim. Some people ask me why that is, and that is because you know how whenever you are riding for a long time in dirt or on the street, your hubs get really dirty? Well, the cool thing about putting a zip tie on there and having it kind of loose, as it's rolling, it's rubbing against it, so it's cleaning it. It's automatic cleaner. It's real good. It's real cool. You can do that with any size zip tie. That's a big hint. Other than that, next week I'm getting some more grips in the mail, so I'll be able to use those better. And once again, very good shout out to my new bro. He is on Instagram. Y'all can follow him. I'll put the link down below. 0xxBMXRiderX60. And I will put a link down below for Dance Comp. For him, Dance Comp, please like, comment what you would like to watch next. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me. I'll tell you what my Instagram name is. Whoever follows me, I will follow you in return. Whoever subscribes to me, I will subscribe to you too in return. And I will watch, like, comment, and whatever on your videos as well. What comes around goes around, right? Whatever you do for me, I will do for you in return. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll upload this soon.